Hey everyone, so I'm here to do Theme Thursday today. I've chosen to do it with Nico. So this week's theme is birds of a feather flock together, and I have a few bird things, however they're all summer items, and I have my summer items all packed away. So I don't have too much to do for this theme, but I did manage to find from our Easter photo shoot Nico's hat, and I've decided, because I found the hat, we can do the theme. So it's kind of cold and it's a wintry day here, so I'm going to put Nico into his pyjamas, into his sleeper, and this is my favourite one of his. We got it from our dear friend Willow, and so I'm going to just chuck him in this. And yes guys, I am still sick. I am on the mend. Today is the first day where I haven't had to take cold and flu capsules to help me get through. You can only take them for a certain amount of days, and so I am now out of that jurisdiction, but I definitely did feel better taking them yesterday, and I feel like I'm not too bad today. I'm just sniffly and a bit croaky in the voice, or blocked up, so I sound a bit weird in the voice, but you know, I still feel quite productive. I've been to our horses this morning. If you don't know, I was in a car accident 2 weeks ago, and our car was written off, and only yesterday, last night, did we get our brand new car. It's taken so long for insurance to pay us out, and for any sort of compensation with the insurance to come through so we could buy our new car. It finally came in. It was actually sitting there and not being put into the right account since Monday, and we've had no car for the last 2 weeks. So we finally have one now, and we're very thrilled, and that meant that I could go to the horses this morning, finally. We've had a really good friend of ours taking care of them for some of the days. I was bussing out on others, but we normally go down twice a day, and I was only able to get out once a day on the bus. So I think it worked out really, really well. Now that we've got the car back, I could go this morning, see them, and I can go again this afternoon. But here he is with his little chick hat on. I think he looks so adorable. What do you guys think? And I paired it with this because it's got some yellow in it, so I thought that would work. Let me just bring you guys down so you can see. Sorry this video is a bit short. I'm currently waiting for my oven to heat up so I can bake Jinday. Yes, I am working on Jinday today. It's so exciting. This is what he looks like. He looks so cute. He looks a bit worried though. And then another view of the hat. Thank you guys so much for watching my little chick here, and I will be back with a new video sometime soon. Happy Theme Thursday everyone. Bye.